Have you got a noise, a rattle or some kind of creaking when you're pedalling? Well, I have. I fitted a new saddle, but I don't think that's got anything to do with it. So I think it's time to visit Bikeman because I've run out of ideas. Everything's tight, nothing's loose, nothing's rattling, so there's something else going on. So time to visit Bikeman. See what he says. It's very strange. I start off riding and there's no sound, and then as I ride it, it gets worse. Oh, that's it. Can you hear that? A ticking. But it's not going with one spoke. It's like it's strange.
Well, when we spoke, if I ride this angle, it will be clicking, but it's quiet.
Right.
That's not the spoke for sure.
Really? So what's making the noise then? Can't be that new saddle.
It's not tightened enough.
It's not tight?
Yeah, so you can hear. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
And then when I spin the pedals other way.
Ah!
That's the bottom bracket.
It never made a sound until the spoke broke, so it's got nothing to do with the spoke. I don't believe it.
It's going to be now.
So is
It's
this
happening at the same time.
just coincidence?
Okay. Yeah, let me quick check if you. I know I think the screw shouldn't be on that side.
Oh, it's the wrong side.
Yeah.
Okay.
It wasn't very tightened either.
No, that's probably where I've been taking off and on, trying to find the noise. Ah. How many newtons is that?
The
Or is
bolt
not?
need to be 40 newtons as well.
It's always 40 newtons.
Most of the big bolts are 40 newtons, or you know,
Oh, you took it off. So you tightened the cap.
cap into the crank arm that I'm able to actually pull it out.
Oh,
So
I
now I'm pressing
see.
the pin,
So that's
and
like.
the pin pushing the cranks out
I
from
understand.
the axle.
Oh, I see. It's pushing it out.
So this is.
Oh, it's
going
like a
out now.
socket. I know.
Because it's square taper and it's
Yeah.
sort of tapered a little bit. so
Yeah,
you need
on
to
my.
tighten
I know.
it. It's called a square tapered axle.
Right.
The caps on the bottom bracket and the frame.
Ah,
So there is a little.
that's
bit
what's
movement.
causing the tread, the creak.
Yeah. So when you press one pedal, you
Yeah.
see the whole movement is one way, and
Right.
then you spin the other one.
Yeah.
So that's making the.
Yeah, it sounds. That's got a roughness.
Yeah, it is roughness a little bit, but
Yeah.
you know, when we take it off, I might just
Well,
grease
you
it.
can
and-
take all this out. So that ring gear, like the same as on the back
Yeah.
cassette.
First thing you need to take the other side.
Oh, okay.
But that's the lock nut. So to get the tool not slip, I'm using this little thing to hold on.
Oh, gosh.
It wasn't tightened at all, you see, just
Oh, it wasn't tight.
weight of the tool. Moved it
Right.
down.
So that should have took a lot more force. So that should have been 40 newtons.
Yeah, 40 newtons.
So maybe it was when it was new.
Yeah, they do it.
Didn't tighten it enough.
No, the robot's tightening it, so
What?
robot's tightening it.
It's the robot.
Yeah.
Oh, right. So it's not the people that put the bike together. It's
No, bottom brackets.
It's the who built the bike.
I mean, some parts are done by the humans. Some bikes are done by the robots. Like the wheels are built by the robot.
Oh yeah.
Only
yeah.
the final true
Yeah.
final attention is like, you know,
Yeah.
they spending maybe 1 minute on each wheel, you know, to get
Yeah.
it through by hands. but everything else is built by the robots.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
see, that's pretty.
Look
That
at the
was 40
side.
newtons. A little bit of grease, but not much.
no, it's not too bad.
You can see inside it's more mud than
Hang on.
actually grease.
More mud than grease. Oh God, yeah. Oh dear. And that's where it's been just normal riding. It's just
Yeah.
sort of moisture and I suppose just time and dirt.
And this one's
The
slightly
bearings worn.
so those new bearings will be much smoother.
Brilliant.
And £3 each, so
It's not worth messing about. New bearings. You see those bearings roll. Lovely jubbly. And nice and clean.
it's clean.
Just need lubrication and some grease.
Yeah. First we need to clean the caps. Remove the cap.
The marine white grease, that's the best.
Yeah, because it's salt and waterproof.
Waterproof, that's what I need.
And salt.
And salt. In this country you need it. That
Nice and
is
quiet.
beautiful. Smooth.
Yeah.
All
Nice
that
and
work.
quiet.
Well,
Yeah,
well
all we
done.
need, yeah.
And my bottom bracket was worn. Great. Well, it wasn't the bracket, it's the bearings
Bearings in the bottom
worn
bracket,
in
yeah.
the bottom bracket.
I mean, it's usually one piece, but you see, I can fix it.
Yeah.
There's an awful lot of people in the gym. When he goes to Tough Mudder, there's 11 people, I said.
Are these quite standard? These
With the
you know,
brackets, yeah.
Well, the
The
nuts,
bearings.
the bolts, the nuts rather.
Ah, the thread is standard, yeah.
Oh right.
It's a BSD, British standard.
Oh blimey, British.
Yeah, there's few different standards as well. There's Italian
Yeah.
standard, there's French standard.
Right.
So, but Italian and about threaded, there's 3 common ones now those days, which is the BSD British one,
Yeah.
the Italian, most of the Italian bikes,
Uh-huh.
which is 2 right-hand threads, not right and left
Oh,
thread. Because
right.
you see, there is right thread on the left side,
Yeah.
and left thread on the
Like
right
the
side.
pedals. Like the pedals.
No, it's opposite.
Oh, is it?
Pedal
But
is
the pedal-
right thread on the right pedal and left thread on the left
Oh,
pedal. And
right.
the bottom bracket is left thread on the right cap. And
I know when I changed them once, I had to make sure I go. Wasn't lefty loosey. It was righty loosey.
Mhm.
I'll be able to ride. I'll be able to ride
No
faster.
creaking for at least 2 years.
Really? 2-year guarantee. That's brilliant. So that was where the creaking was coming from. I would never have known. Look at that. Chain oil, 2-in-1. 2-in-1 oil.
And you drip it, don't spray it.
Drip, yeah, that's it. But like I said to the lady, I don't like to get it on my clothes, so I don't put too much.
It's still a little bit overlooked. It will be good to, after you look it, give it a wipe.
Oh, all right. The old oily rag rather.
best
Get the oily rag.
Is the towel.
Towel, the oily towel. Okay, I'll
And
do that next time.
Give it a quick wipe. So after you lube it, spin it a couple of times to get the chain loop inside the chain,
Yeah?
and then you can wipe the excess. So still keeping the little film outside to keep the chain out of
yeah.
corrosion,
Yeah.
but
not,
it
but
doesn't
not,
stick the crap in.
yeah, it don't go all over my clothes. And it doesn't stick all, yeah, the dirt back in. No, you're doing a great job. I like that sound. I can confirm that it was the front bearing on the lower bracket that was at fault. So we're okay, Gav. Superb. That's it. No noise. Perfect. Excellent. Well done, bikeman. Yes, I should give him a good review.